Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by checking prerequisites and running the first fixes. You must confirm Android version and free about 500 megabytes so installs and caches can complete. Once done, check that Google Play services and the Play Games beta are updated. Updates often resolve startup crashes. Make sure to force stop Play Games from settings, then clear its cache only. Avoid clearing data yet. Restart the device to apply system updates, and if it still fails, move to Deeper App and Account Steps next. Now you dive deeper. Clear Play Games cache, and if problems persist, clear app data for both Play Games and Google Play services to reset corrupted settings. After clearing, remove your Google account from the phone and then add it back so tokens and syncing refresh. Make sure to re-enable sync for Play Games and related services. If the beta still won't open, uninstall and reinstall the beta from the Play Store, or sideload a known stable APK carefully. This replaces broken binaries and can restore normal launches. Finish by verifying whether the app now launches. If not, collect diagnostic logs using a dblogcat or the Play Console feedback tool so you capture crash traces. Once you have logs, try a factory reset only as an absolute last resort after backing up photos and accounts, because resets clear underlying system corruption. If the problem still persists, file a detailed bug report with the logs, Android build, Play Games version, and steps to reproduce. That gives engineers what they need to fix the beta for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.